Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can actually go ahead and trim video in Instagram story. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, first of all, let's go ahead and open our Instagram over here. Once the Instagram app is open, what you can do is you can simply go ahead, tap on this plus icon and go to the stories section. Then what you will do is tap on this gallery option over here. So let's go ahead, choose this particular video. So apparently if your video is above 1 minute, then what you will do is you will be able to, so Instagram will not upload that particular video of whole. That particular video, if it's more than 1 minute, it will automatically crop it and will adjust to a minute. But if you would like to crop it, if you tap on the three dot, you do not have an option where you can crop your video. For that purpose, you'll have to choose another software like CapCut or some video editors. You can go to your Play Store over here and download any video editor. From here you can simply download and crop your or trim your story right there, and you can upload it on your Instagram. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.